guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, I am Sophony Admin, and make sure you subscribe. Today's video going to be about this hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I plucked it. So I bought this hair from AliExpress. They were having a sale going on 11/11, so this would only cost me $97. It's 24 inches long, and I received these free lashes, and I love the package. The box was so fancy. This wig is already pre-plucked and the lace is transparent. As you can see, I don't really have to do anything on the lace. It goes with my skin color. The hair is soft. It smells good. I love everything about this hair, guys. And I also bought this mannequin head from AliExpress a couple months ago. I am putting the wig on the mannequin head and secure it with some pins. All I'm going to use on this hair is a small tooth comb, water, a tweezer, a foam mousse called Lada Body, and a wide tooth comb at the end. I am spraying the hair with water and take a really small portion out and start tweezing the hair from the back. Don't ever tweeze the edges. The small part I took out going to cover any bald spot, and that's what's going to make it look natural. I'm gonna keep spraying the hair to see where I need to tweeze. This part is optional, you don't really have to do it, but this is how I do my wigs. I took a second small section and twist the back. Guys, keep in mind, I'm not a professional. I'm learning to do my own frontal. So if you don't know how to do lace frontal, then we are learning together, boo. This is how the wig looks so far, and I love it. Now I'm going to put some foam Lada Body on the curls and spraying it with water and comb it out. This is the end of this video. I really hope you guys found it helpful. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. If you wanted to see how I install it, let me know in the comment below.